A potential sign of life as rescuers race to find the submersible that vanished while diving on the Titanic shipwreck. Sonar has picked up banging sounds in the search area, and those sounds every 30 minutes. That is according to an internal U.S. government memo. Well, this morning, the Coast Guard says it's not clear what the source of the sound was, and Navy experts are analyzing it.
There was a P-8, a Poseidon, a sub-hunter that had dropped buoys into the ocean. It heard banging. Every 30 minutes, they were hearing a regular banging. They sent remote-operated vehicles down to the location where they thought that sound was coming from, but were not able to find anything. They're now moving surface ships around the area to see if they can either hear other sounds. An absolute concern here for what, if they are alive, what they must be going through down there in the cold and the dark, and just hoping against hope that they are rescued. Back to you.